The other ones are trying to. You might need a little more speed.
That's not what I wanted to do. This is all wrong. It's gonna go forward.
How's reverse look?
It's pushing. I just need more power. I need my keyboard. This thing is. I need this
I'll
thing.
get the keyboard, okay?
Huh?
I got a keyboard.
Yeah, go get it. If you don't mind, Hip. Appreciate it.
They can handle?
How's it going?
The hell is that?
Maximum already.
Oh.
Oh, damn. Dude, what the hell? Every day this thing changes.
Have that thing go down.
I can't make it go down. It's not. To make it go down is do that. And it's going backwards.
That's why you put it backward. You know, let's run backward. That's why you put it backward. Go down.
Everything's reversed.
Strangely, yes.
Step forward.
Not really that warm.
What?
Not really. A little bit warm.
Yeah, they're not even. Probably get that one just from sitting in the sun. That's weird that the switch didn't work.